Which company becomes India's first to surpass 10,000 megawatts renewable energy? Tata Power, Suzlon Energy, NTPC Limited, Adani Green Energy. Answer is Adani Green Energy. Who has been named as the World Economic Forum's 2024 Young Global Leader? Vinita Singh, Isha Ambani, Adwaita Nair, Falguni Nair. Answer is Adwaita Nair. India's first small-scale liquefied natural gas (SSLNG) unit was inaugurated in Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. What is Antaras recently seen in the news? AI tool, Red Supergiant Star, UAV, antivirus tool. Answer is Red Supergiant Star. Maven spacecraft was launched by NASA, ISRO, CNSA, Jagsha. Answer is NASA. The 42nd Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee (IADC) annual meet was held in Tokyo, New York, Bengaluru, New Delhi. Answer is Bengaluru. Tiger Conservation Conference 2024 was hosted by India, Bhutan, China, Nepal. Answer is Bhutan. Global Trade Outlook and Statistics was released by World Trade Organization, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, Pacific Economic Cooperation Council, World Bank. Answer is World Trade Organization. India is aiming to scale up its nuclear energy production to 1 lakh megawatt in 2027, 2030, 2045, 2047. Answer is 2047. India's biggest climate clock is activated at Chennai, New Delhi, Cochin, Pune. Answer is New Delhi. Which country is the top source of pulse imports to India? Australia, Canada, Myanmar, Tanzania. Answer is Myanmar. Who has been named the official ambassador for the upcoming ICC Men's T20 World Cup? Jacob Oram, Usain Bolt, Brian Lara, Brendan McCullum. Answer is Usain Bolt. Bohag Bihu festival is celebrated by Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram. Who topped in the EIU Business Environment Rankings 2024? USA, Canada, Denmark, Singapore. Answer is Singapore. Which country has topped in the World Cybercrime Index? Russia, China, India, Ukraine. Answer is Russia. Who is the first export customer for the India's BrahMos missiles? Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Taiwan. Answer is Operation Crimson Barracuda was conducted by NATO, Indian Marine Commandos, US Navy SEAL, Interpol. Answer is Indian Marine Commandos. Which of the following Jupiter's moon has presence of ozone? Europa, Ganymede, Euphoria, Callisto. Answer is Callisto. The 2024 Global Report on Food Crisis, GRFC, was produced by Global Network Against Food Crisis, Food Security Information Network, Food and Agriculture Organization, World Food Programme. Answer is Food Security Information Network. Salas Y. Gomez is located in Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean. The book Knife, Meditations After an Attempted Murder was authored by Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, Taslima Nasreen, Amitabh Ghosh. Answer is Salman Rushdie. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of Naval Staff? R. Hari Kumar, Karambir Singh, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi, Robin K. Dhovan. Answer is Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Exercise Dustalik was held between India Uzbekistan, India Kazakhstan, India Kyrgyzstan, India Tajikistan. Answer is India Uzbekistan. Who became the first footballer to win the Laureus Sportswoman of the Year honor? Ona Battle, Etna Bonmati, Junni Hermoso, Salma Paralluelo. Answer is Etna Bonmati. As per the State of World Population 2024 report, highest maternal deaths is seen in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has taken lead in implementing the Centre's Green Credit Program, GCP? Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Assam. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Kala-Azar diseases is caused by viruses, fungus, bacteria, protozoa. Answer is protozoa. Vasuki indicus is the species of centipede, spider, snake, scorpion. Answer is snake. Juke 2 rocket is the launch vehicle of Japan, North Korea, South Korea, China. Answer is China. The 16th World Future Energy Summit 2024 was held in Doha, Muscat, Abu Dhabi, Riyadh. Answer is Abu Dhabi. Which districts of TN recorded the highest percent of turnout in 2024 election? Krishnagiri, Thiruvannamalai, Dharmapuri, Viruthunagar. Answer is Dharmapuri. The molecular jackhammers is used in the treatment of HIV, cancer, osteomalacia, pellagra. Answer is cancer. The Digital India Trust Agency, DIGITA, was launched by Niti Aayog, National Payments Corporation of India, Unique Identification Authority of India, Reserve Bank of India. Answer is Reserve Bank of India. Direct-to-cell satellite was launched by SpaceX, China National Space Administration, Korea Aerospace Research Institute, NASA. Answer is SpaceX. Which of the following ISRO's satellite boarded with rubidium atomic clock? Cartosat 3, EMISAT, Aditya L1, NVS 1 Navaisi. Answer is NVS 1 Navaisi. The 13th Ministerial Conference of WTO held in Aden, Abu Dhabi, Doha, Sharjah. Answer is Abu Dhabi. Which country has been dubbed as the cancer capital of the world? Libya, Brazil, Bhutan, India. Answer is India. Mount Etna is located at Italy, Hawaii, Indonesia, Japan. Answer is Italy. Lymphatic filariasis is caused by viruses, fungi, parasites, bacteria. Answer is parasites. The recently released PARO statement is related to cheetah conservation, tiger conservation, orangutan conservation, rhino conservation. Answer is tiger conservation. Which country was the fourth largest military spender globally in 2023? Indonesia, India, Italy, Israel. Answer is India. Atmospheric Waves Experiment (AWE) was launched by ISRO, JAXA, CERN, NASA. Answer is NASA. India observed its Plastic Overshoot Day on 23rd April, 21st April, 2nd April, 12th April. Answer is 23rd April. Blue Origin's NS-25 mission is related to space tourism, human mission to Mars, human mission to Moon, exoplanet research. Answer is space tourism. The PVTG Shompen tribes inhabited in Little Nicobar Island, Landfall Island, Great Nicobar Island, South Reef Island. Answer is Great Nicobar Island. The Marrakesh Agreement was signed in 15th April 1993, 15th April 1994, 15th April 1995, 15th April 1996. Answer is 15th April 1994. The Idea of Democracy book was authored by Manish Sisodia, Manmohan Singh, Mani Shankar Iyer, Sam Pitroda. Answer is Sam Pitroda. A new image-to-video AI model called Vasa 1 was released by Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Google. Answer is Microsoft. Who has won the 2023 AM Turing Award? Avi Vigderson, Robert M. Metcalf, Edwin Catmull, Martin Hellman. Answer is Avi Vigderson. Who is known as the father of Indian psychology? Vidya Nivas Mishra, Sudhir Kakar, Ashish Nandi, Girishwar Misra. Answer is Sudhir Kakar. Which country has the highest percentage of doping offenders? India, Italy, Russia, USA. Answer is USA. Recently GI tagged Pilkhuwa hand block print textile belongs to Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Kristalina Georgieva has been appointed as a managing director of International Monetary Fund, International Energy Agency, World Economic Forum, World Trade Organization. Answer is International Monetary Fund. The National Maritime Day is observed on 20th April, 15th April, 10th April, 5th April. Answer is 5th April. Who has become the first Indian cricketer to smash 500 sixes in the T20 format? Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, Virat Kohli, Tendulkar. Answer is Rohit Sharma. World Earth Day is observed on 20th April, 21st April, 22nd April, 23rd April. Answer is 22nd April. Which Indian state lost the maximum tree cover since 2000? Assam, Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Answer is Assam. Crystal Mace I missile was produced by India, Israel, Indonesia, Italy. Answer is Israel. Which country hosted its first international rainbow tourism conference? Bhutan, Philippines, Nepal, Thailand. Answer is Nepal. Which country has emerged as India's largest trading partner in the FY 2023-24? Iran, China, Russia, USA. Answer is China. Dengue disease mostly affects cats, horse, donkey, dogs. Answer is dogs. The Special 301 report is related to migration status, intellectual property rights, refugees' rights, wildlife crimes. Answer is intellectual property rights. Which country became the first country to roll out the Men5CV vaccine against meningitis? Nigeria, Mali, India, Kenya. Answer is Nigeria. Which one of the following countries is not bordered with Niger? Libya, Algeria, Morocco, Nigeria. Answer is Morocco. Which country recently used GPS spoofing technology? Iran, India, Israel, Indonesia. Answer is Israel. The new gold-backed currency called ZiG was launched by Belize, Czech Republic, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Answer is Zimbabwe. Peace clause of WTO was agreed at the Doha Ministerial Meet, Nairobi Ministerial Meet, Geneva Ministerial Meet, Bali Ministerial Meet. Answer is Bali Ministerial Meet. Ringwoodite, a polymorph, is found in the upper mantle, upper crust, lower mantle. Answer is upper mantle. Who has been recently received the Virtual Dalit Literary Award? Salma, Bhama, Sukirtha Rani, Ambai. Answer is Bhama. Recently discovered rare species named Neptis filera is the spider, frog, fish, butterfly. Answer is butterfly. The Lakshmana Tirtha river is a tributary of Godavari, Palar, Kaveri, Krishna. Answer is Kaveri. The report named Technology on Her Terms was released by UN Women, UNESCO, UNDP, ILO. Answer is UNESCO. Which company has introduced Hala Point, the world's largest neuromorphic computer? IBM, Dell, Intel, Apple. Answer is Intel. The first glass skywalk bridge is set to open in Uttar Pradesh, Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the Director of the National Judicial Academy, NJC, Bhopal? Surya Kant, Deepankar Datta, Vikram Nath, Aniruddh Bose. Answer is Aniruddh Bose. The volcano Mount Ruang is located at Japan, Taiwan, Indonesia, Marcus Island. Answer is Indonesia. Which country recently passed a bill to criminalizing same-sex relations? Iran, Iraq, India, Italy. Answer is Iraq. Who was re-elected for a third term to the International Narcotics Control Board, INCB? Leena Nair, Nivedita Bhasin, Meghna Pandit, Jagjit Pavadia. Answer is Jagjit Pavadia. Who has been recently honored with Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award? Amitabh Bachchan, Kamal Hassan, Rajinikanth, Sridevi. Answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Which party had celebrated the first Labour Day on 1st May 1923 in Madras? The Independent Labour Party, Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan, All India Trade Union Federation, Kirti Kisan Party. Answer is Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan. FWD 200B is the bomber UAV, humanoid robot, cruise missile, tank. Answer is bomber UAV. Kalesar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Bihar, Haryana, Odisha, Assam. Answer is Haryana. Which one of the following is termed as deadly fungus? Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus terreus, Aspergillus fumigatus, Aspergillus flavus. Answer is Aspergillus fumigatus. When and where was the first electronic voting machine used for election? 1998 Madhya Pradesh, 1982 Kerala, 2004 Nagaland, 1977 Hyderabad. Answer is 1982 Kerala. The lunar crater of Gujarat is known for largest freshwater lake formed by meteorite impact, largest artificial lake, largest salt water lake. Answer is formed by meteorite impact. Lake Kariba, the world's largest artificial lake and reservoir by volume, was located in Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Zambia, Botswana. Answer is Zimbabwe. The online portal called Bhavishya was launched by Department of Pensioners Welfare, Department of Rural Development, Department of Higher Education, Department of Economic Affairs. Answer is Department of Pensioners Welfare. Who has been honored with prestigious KISS Humanitarian Award 2021? Neeta Ambani, Noel Tata, Ratan Tata, Jamsetji Tata. Answer is Ratan Tata. Which district has scored highest pass percentage in HSC examination 2024? Tirupur, Erode, Madurai, Kanyakumari. Answer is Tirupur. Which institute secured the top rank among the best performing institutes across India? IIT Bombay, IIM Ahmedabad, IISc Bengaluru, IIT Delhi. Answer is IIM Ahmedabad. Which country topped in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2024? India, China, Germany, United States. Answer is United States. The new inactivated oral vaccine Uvicol S is used for tuberculosis, diphtheria, cholera, tetanus. Answer is cholera. Which country accounted for the second highest number of cases of hepatitis B and C in 2022? China, South Africa, Sudan, India. Answer is India. British physicist Peter Higgs is known for gravitational waves, black hole, optical communication, God particle. Answer is God particle. The Aral Sea is located between Iran and Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and Turkmenistan. Answer is Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan.